Welcome to Product Plus. Discover a collection of innovative Amazon products designed to elevate every part of your home and lifestyle. From smart motorized curtains and clever storage organizers to high-performance kitchen appliances, unique cleaning tools, relaxing wellness devices, and even travel-friendly cooking solutions, each item brings convenience, comfort, and modern efficiency. These carefully selected gadgets help simplify daily tasks, enhance organization, and upgrade your living space with ease and style. All products links in the description section below. Transforming your space gets easier when comfort and convenience blend seamlessly into your daily routine. This smart retractable curtain slips effortlessly into any modern lifestyle, whether you're winding down after a long day or setting the perfect morning mood with a quiet voice command. Its blackout design adds privacy while elevating your room's vibe, making it a little upgrade you'll feel every day. And with its price at $359, it's surprisingly simple to bring this home into your everyday living. Bringing a little more connection into your day doesn't have to be complicated, especially with a companion that adapts to your mood, remembers what matters, and jumps into conversations naturally. This smart AI robot fits effortlessly into home life, whether it's helping with homework, offering quick answers, or simply keeping the vibes warm and engaging. It's designed to make everyday moments feel a bit more intuitive and fun. And with its price at $899, it's easier than ever to welcome this into your daily routine today. Making pet care smoother can really upgrade the flow of your home, especially when you've got a smart litter box that handles the messy part for you. This automatic system keeps things fresh, clean, and stress-free, perfect for busy schedules or multi-cat families. With app control, quiet operation, and a roomy design, it fits effortlessly into everyday life while giving your cats a consistently comfy space. And with its price at $199.98, it's a simple step toward a cleaner home for you both. Starting your day with less chaos and more calm becomes easier when your knit stand does a little extra for you. This sleek digital alarm clock doubles as a fast wireless charger and a soft touch lamp, creating a cozy bedside setup that fits effortlessly into your nighttime routine. Whether you need a gentle glow, a reliable wake-up, or a simple charge, it keeps everything within reach. And with its price at $27.99, it's a small upgrade that brightens your everyday bedroom moments. Creating a calm atmosphere at home or work becomes so much easier when you have something that gently softens the noise around you. This plug-in white noise machine blends smoothly into any room, offering a mix of soothing, non-looping sounds that help you focus, unwind, or fall asleep more comfortably. Its optional nightlight adds a warm touch for late evenings or nursery use, making it a small accessory with a big impact. And with its price at $39.99, it's a simple upgrade toward a quieter life anytime you need. Serving meals becomes a playful and stylish experience when your tableware sparks joy while staying practical. These shark plates turn everyday dining into a conversation starter with cleverly designed compartments for sauces and chopsticks while holding sushi, salads, or snacks with ease. Durable, microwave, and dishwasher-safe ceramic ensures you can enjoy both beauty and convenience without worrying. Perfect for casual dinners or special gatherings. And with their price at $24.99, they're a fun addition that brightens your dining moments every day. Unleashing creativity at home has never been so seamless. This smart cutting machine transforms any project from personalized gifts to home decor into something effortless and professional looking. With a full bundle of tools, vinyl, cardstock, and access to endless designs, it fits perfectly into both hobbyist and craft lover lifestyles. Whether crafting for fun or gifting something unique, every cut and detail feels precise and satisfying. And with its price at $299, it's a wonderful way to bring your creative ideas to life today. Making quick, nutritious meals and snacks is effortless when your kitchen tools keep up with your pace. This compact blender lets you whip up smoothies, sauces, dips, and more in seconds, making it perfect for busy mornings or late-night cravings. Its easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe design ensures minimal fuss while maximizing convenience, fitting naturally into everyday routines. And with its price at $29.99, it's a simple way to boost your kitchen efficiency and healthy habits. Bringing a little luxury into your everyday routine becomes effortless when small comforts are smartly designed. This electric towel warmer keeps your towels perfectly heated, making mornings cozier and evenings more relaxing. Its sleek, brushed finish fits any bathroom style, while Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control through Alexa or Google Home let you adjust temperature and timers from anywhere. Combining convenience, style, and practical warmth, it transforms simple routines into enjoyable moments. And with its price at $308.99, it's a subtle upgrade that enhances your daily comfort effortlessly today. Keeping your home tidy doesn't have to be a chore, especially when cleaning tools make life easier. This manual carpet sweeper quietly glides across floors, picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with minimal effort. Its lightweight, user-friendly design reaches under furniture and into corners effortlessly, making daily upkeep simple and stress-free. Perfect for busy households or quick touch-ups, it blends practicality with convenience. And with its price at $15.99, it's a small upgrade that brightens your home cleaning routine instantly today. Leveling up your gaming setup while keeping your space organized has never been easier. This twin loft gaming bed combines a comfortable sleeping area with a built-in desk and shelving, creating the ultimate setup for work, study, or play. Its sturdy metal frame and modern design fit seamlessly into any bedroom while keeping gear and accessories within reach. Perfect for teens or gaming enthusiasts, it's functional, stylish, and practical. And with its price at $425.63, it's an exciting upgrade that enhances your bedroom gaming experience every day. Protecting your home and simplifying maintenance becomes effortless with smart technology that watches over what matters most. This water monitor detects leaks, tracks usage patterns, and even shuts off your water automatically to prevent damage, giving peace of mind whether you're home or away. Its app connectivity allows real-time notifications and remote control, making home management seamless. Combining convenience, safety, and efficiency, it's a practical addition for any household. And with its price at $671.97, it's a smart way to ensure your home stays safe every day. Elevating your desk setup can be as simple as adding a tool that combines style and functionality. The Novium Hover Pen delivers a futuristic flair while providing smooth, precise writing, making it a standout conversation starter for work or home. Its magnetic hover and spinning design add a playful touch that sparks creativity and focus. Perfect for professionals or gift givers seeking something unique. And with its price at $87.20, it's a clever way to inspire creativity and style in your workspace. Staying cool and comfortable no longer requires bulky equipment or complicated setups. This portable air conditioner brings refreshing airflow wherever you go, whether at your desk, in a car, or camping outdoors. Its compact design, easy controls, and energy-efficient operation make personal cooling effortless while saving on electricity. Perfect for work, travel, or relaxation, it fits seamlessly into daily life without taking up space. And with its price at $69.99, it's a smart choice to enjoy cool comfort anytime you need it. Achieving a flawless look becomes effortless with tools that combine style, functionality, and convenience. This lighted makeup mirror offers dual-sided magnification, adjustable brightness, and 3-color modes, making it perfect for makeup, grooming, or skincare routines. Its 360 rotation and rechargeable battery allow wireless use anywhere, while its sleek design enhances any vanity or countertop. Ideal for daily use or as a thoughtful gift, it seamlessly blends practicality with elegance. And with its price at $29.77, it's a stylish way to elevate your beauty routine every day. Maximize productivity without sacrificing space with a desk that adapts to your lifestyle. This wall-mounted, foldable workstation combines a sturdy work surface, built-in storage, and a monitor stand, making it perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or home offices. Its sleek Scandinavian design keeps your area tidy while folding away when not in use. Durable yet stylish, it supports daily work, study, or creative projects effortlessly. And at $171.99, it's a smart solution to elevate your workspace with minimal effort today. Unwind after a long day with the iRelieve Ottoman Foot Massager, a clever two-in-one solution combining deep shiatsu massage and soothing heat therapy. Designed to target plantar fascia muscles, it relieves tension, reduces swelling, and boosts circulation with gentle compression and vibration. Perfect for anyone seeking relaxation and comfort at home, this functional furniture piece transforms your living space into a mini spa. Its thoughtful design supports both wellness and convenience, making it a must-have for tired feet and busy lifestyles. Take your home-cooked meals on the go with the Presto 8-quart Nomad traveling slow cooker designed for mobility without sacrificing flavor. Its extra-large capacity and porcelain enameled pot make cooking and serving easy, while the sealed tight locking lid, cool touch exterior, and swing-up handle ensure safe transport. Ideal for road trips or vacation meals, it includes a detachable utensil holder, condensation cup, and high-low warm settings. And with its price at $114.99, it's a smart upgrade that brings flavor on the move with ease. Tackle repairs with confidence using the Hoto 25-in-1 mini electric screwdriver, a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision work on electronics, gadgets, and DIY projects. With one-button operation, smooth electric manual modes, 25 durable S-to-steel bits, and smart magnetic storage, it delivers accuracy and convenience in every task. Its lightweight aluminum build and USB-C rechargeable battery make it perfect for on-the-go fixes. And with price of just $28.49, it's an unbeatable upgrade to any toolkit. Bring effortless mixology into your home with the Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine, a smart, push-button way to enjoy bar-quality drinks anytime. Perfect for dinner parties, date nights, or relaxing after a long day. It blends your favorite spirits with mixologist-crafted capsules to create margaritas, whiskey sours, old fashions, and more without the mess or measuring. Its easy clean design and stylish build make it a standout on any countertop. And with a price of $234, it's pure cocktail magic made refreshingly simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.